This is your LTO library, is your library of, I said, tape-based library. This is 4 terabyte, 10 terabytes. So in a media lab, you will have a library like that. So what will happen is, I can put your particular, either I can put all the content on library and give it to you, yeah. Otherwise, you can bring your tape and it can be ingested to be part of the network. Usually, picture बनाते हैं, we क्या करते हैं that they usually they have a small LTO tape based system nowadays because they cannot afford to lose it. No? So when you are actually shooting a film, you will archive it on a LTO tape. Hard disk पे नहीं करते हैं, LTO tape पे ज़्यादा. So LTO tape can be put into a media lab or somewhere can be used. So LTO is a new this thing. LTO 6, LTO 10 they have come up. New storage basically. And there is a database recovery system. Then you have a web server cluster, and you have your and then you have a tape. This is all coming into a central. And then from there, it is going to CDN Exchange server or user and feeders, depending upon where it is. And here is all your low res files. This is your media asset management network. So this is in case a living lab collaboration you want to do. Telestream is the top FTP upload. You get a local tape deck, live media stream, existing data files. They all content for asset management, and they put there's a media server here, you know, and this being 1 terabyte storage is there. This is in case you want to put a damn lab collaboration. You want to create a lab where all the content lies into a single place. Now this is a futuristic thing, but media assessment lab. Let's say that you want to put a lab together, yeah? Because everybody is not able to this thing. So every city can have a lab where all content can be used. So the solution media is going to play a permanent of raw data file on LTO tapes and also encoding the video files into multiple formats. Media is going to work for nearly online as well as storage and preserve and reuse digital assets, facilitate centralized content. Yeah? Improve workflow, minimize time to access media, enhance business decision. So what people can do is they can create media. So Ramoji creates a media lab. If it does, which lab can be assessed by you become all producers, and you can get this content in the central library of Ramoji, and you have say other producers. There are so many in this, and they can take it back onto LTO, but it backed up on the media lab, you know, on an airline server. So that it is like anything which is archive and retrieval, like पुराना xeroxing होता है ये होता है. This is a new format of this thing, you know. So it is data lab. It's a media lab. It is a digital lab. This is happening. I mean, this is places like the Middle East. They're coming up with media labs at Media City as well. You know? Media asset lab vendors, what you require? You require hardware, you require storage, you require a media asset management software, you require an edit suite, non-linear edit suite as you saw, for editing, and you need a web portal. These are your vendors which you require. You will require hardware, you require LTO, mode of storage as raw high definition video footage is cumbersome to store on the cloud. I told you it's very difficult to put on the cloud. Therefore, they are stored on LTO tape drives at low resolution. You know, either on LTO tape drive or on the cloud you can store it. Work for companies like Storage DNA are working with HP and Spectralogic. These are Spectralogic and HP are companies which are their storage drives. So these are vendors, you know. And companies like this, Storage DNA is working with filmmakers usually, and Empress Media Asset Management, or you have Avid, which is usually I'll tell you in your editing systems, Avid is the most better used than FCP professionally. So there is a Avid Interplate, which is a digital assessment software, which works with Avid editing software. Avid Media Composer or Avid Express works with this. So in a film industry, usage of Avid becomes very useful. The most professional publishing houses or the news houses, they will be using Avid. And lower end they use FCP. तो FCP 7 था, अभी FCP 10 आ गया. So FCP 10 is easier, but if you see the people of my generation, they'll say FCP 7 because their mind is set as that. FCP 10 is drop, click, drop, and click. You know, it's very easy. But you've got to have that frame of mind. That's the one.
FCP 10 would be easier.
Yeah, if you're a young guy. If you're an old guy, FCP 10 is difficult because his mind is not set to that. Here it is drop and play. ना FCP 10 में कैसा है? Drop करो, set, डाल दो. It will play across. But वो नहीं है. FCP 10 you click, you upload it or you open it. That is the whole format of. That is what the people are used to. So जब भी तुम जाएगे स्टूडियो में अरे तुमको FCP 7 नहीं आता है, तो मत काम करो. You know, they are not. The mindset has not changed. So you have, at the end you have to take a job there. So you might as well know everything and go. You know, for Premiere बोलेगा तो Premiere आना चाहिए, Avid चाहिए तो Avid, FCP चाहिए so तीनों आना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता मुझे Premiere नहीं आ रहा है. So हाथ बिठा के you should be good enough. You need not be a punch operator. The aesthetics should be and you. High definition become essential all over studios, teachers, stock market, medical fraternity, video to video consumption to their home theaters to big screens at a very high quality. Video is being shot at 2 to 4K resolution. Megabyte content needs to be encoded in three-dimensional format and finally archived for an asset. Market segment is the broadcast solution, production television, educational institutions and the film archives. This we have gone through before. Congratulations, you have gone through. So you understood somewhat? Got an feel of it? So now you guys can tell me something about asset management. Let us try it out.
We watch certain movies in certain channels. Are they somehow linked with media asset management? They have, set up the studios and they are actually visualizing or broadcasting the same movie.
Yeah, they will have a certain either it might not be an organized asset management. In the back of it, they must be having it. It will be a disorganized person. There are the media houses. A lot of them have got into asset management. Especially the studios and Studio 29 and Colors and all.
So
they are all using Studio Network.
If they do want to buy a new show,
Sorry?
If they do want to show a new show, then they have to.
If they want to televise a new show, then they'll have to ingest it into their, it's already ingested into the system. Otherwise, it won't be in the system. First thing they will ingest it, and they will show the flow of it, and then when delivery of it, they will send it across. The first thing is to get that show ingested into the system and categorize it. Once it is categorized, from there it will go to it. Anything else? You tell me what you think. What is the most important in asset management? What do you think? How do you think?
First of all is I think storing the data and not losing it and finding it easily.
Right.
Like usually these are the problems that we face. Like something which we want at a particular time is always difficult to get at that moment.
Find it.
So if we invest time and money in it, then we can definitely save a lot of time later.
Yeah, and your money also.
Definitely.
That is the most important thing. Technically driven, but it is required.
Most of the times, what we are using today is economics of MySQL databases.
Right.
So Yes.
Also, what kind of formats you can use according to your audience? or
Yeah,
something?
according to the JPEG format.
Yes.
Accordingly, the different formats which you want to send across, your delivery.
Yeah.
That's what you're talking about, your
Yes.
delivery there, you know. So that is
How over the top television is going to take over the
yes,
current, current medium of communication.
current media. And what would be necessary for you to be in the world, because that is what your future is. Yeah. Anybody else? Let us
We need
speak.
to be more secure.
Security is most important. Yeah. Right. Security and your rights management, your DRM. Your DRM will come in there, you know. And unless you do your DRM properly, and you also need to do your watermarking and you know those securities you need. So that is the most important for a filmmaker. Unless he gets his content secure, anybody can copy it. So how will you run your secure? How will you run your digital rights management system? How will you make a delivery with your DRM? Yeah, anybody else in the back?
And also we need to be updated to the present technology. So also right now we are using the cloud technology. Maybe tomorrow the data will be play the crucial role in the
Yes,
market.
now the technology is changing, and even this LTO tape, there is LTO 6 now, but there might be LTO 10 now, and you should be able to advance. So that you got to be careful. That is what technology you are using should not become redundant tomorrow.